guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm going to unbox my new 5x5 cube. This is the Diansheng Solar 5M. If you guys buy cubes from the Jpearly store, you will get the Squid Game stickers for free. This is my first Diansheng cube in my collections, and this is the newest Diansheng product that I have. As you can hear, the cube is very horrible. Once you unbox this cube, you will get a cube stand and the accessories box. I just realized that the cube stand of the Diansheng cube is quite similar compared to the cube stand of my RS3M 2020. The design of the accessories box is also similar compared to the accessories box of the RS3M 2020. In the accessories box, you will get a screwdriver and a pamphlet that is in Chinese. The cube is quite nice and it is matte finished. The only thing that I just want to say is the logo is not at the center, and it is quite weird for me. The cube is quite smooth and satisfying me, but I think it is a little bit dry. For your information, this is a magnetic cube, but I think the magnetic strength for this cube is not very strong. And this is my first solve of this cube. To be honest, when I solve this cube for the first time, it feels like this cube is not a magnetic cube, even though there are magnets inside it. But overall, I think this cube is better than my previous 5x5 cube. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.